Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Asian desserts, a universe of unique flavors, textures, and stories. From chewy to crispy, every treat is a new adventure for your taste buds. We'll explore 5 incredible sweets, each with its own magic. Get ready to discover how they're made, their history, and why they're so beloved. By the end, you'll be craving a trip to your local Asian bakery. Let's kick off this sweet adventure. First up, mochi ice cream, a global sensation for good reason. Imagine soft, chewy rice dough wrapped around creamy ice cream. It's a delightful contrast that surprises and satisfies with every bite. The texture combo is pure joy. The chewiness of the mochi complements the smoothness of the ice cream perfectly. Mochi has been a Japanese tradition for centuries, but wrapping it around ice cream? That's a modern twist thanks to Frances Hashimoto in the 1990s. She fused Japanese tradition with American ice cream, creating a bite-sized treat that's now loved worldwide. This fusion of cultures has made mochi ice cream a beloved dessert across the globe. Making mochi dough is an art. Glutinous rice flour, sugar, and water are steamed and kneaded until perfectly smooth and stretchy. It takes skill and patience to get it just right. The dough must be just right, thin enough to wrap, strong enough not to tear. Flavors are endless: classic matcha, strawberry, mango, black sesame, and even cookies and cream. There's a flavor for everyone. Each bite starts with a gentle chew, then a burst of cold, creamy ice cream. It's a delightful surprise every time. It's a playful, multi-layered experience that's both comforting and exciting. The combination of textures and flavors makes it a unique treat. Mochi ice cream is perfectly portioned for a sweet treat, never too heavy. It's just the right size for a quick indulgence. You'll find them in grocery stores, but if you can try them fresh, the texture is next level. Fresh mochi ice cream has a softness that's hard to beat. Their pastel colors, pink, green, yellow, make them as beautiful as they are delicious. They're a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. Mochi ice cream is the perfect intro to Asian dessert textures. It's a great way to explore new flavors and textures. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the time. Don't miss out on this delightful treat. Treat yourself to a little ball of chewy, creamy happiness. It's a small indulgence that brings big joy. It's a modern classic that honors tradition and innovation. The blend of old and new makes it a unique dessert experience. The best part? There's a flavor for every mood. Whether you're in the mood for something fruity or something rich, there's a mochi ice cream for you. Mochi ice cream is a must-try for dessert lovers everywhere. It's a treat that brings people together. It's cute, fun, and totally addictive. Once you start, it's hard to stop. Go find your favorite flavor and enjoy. There's a whole world of mochi ice cream waiting for you. Mochi ice cream, a tiny treat with huge flavor. It's a small package that delivers big taste. You'll be hooked after just one bite. It's a dessert experience you won't forget. Next, let's talk about dragonbeard candy, a mesmerizing Chinese treat that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the taste buds. This is a sweet that's part candy, part performance art, and part living legend. It all begins with a hard ring of maltose syrup, which is patiently stretched, twisted, and folded over and over until it transforms into thousands of silky, hair-thin threads, so fine they almost float in the air. Watching a candy master create dragonbeard candy is like witnessing a magician at work, their hands moving with mesmerizing speed and precision. Once the threads are ready, they're carefully wrapped around a crunchy, aromatic filling of roasted peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, and fragrant coconut, creating a perfect balance of textures and flavors. The result? A delicate, sweet cocoon that melts instantly in your mouth, revealing a nutty, toasty center that's both surprising and delightful. Dragonbeard candy was once reserved for Chinese royalty, a true delicacy enjoyed in the imperial courts, steeped in centuries of tradition. The process requires not just skill but also strength, patience, and years of dedicated practice to master the art of pulling perfect threads. Cornstarch or rice flour is dusted over the threads to keep them separate, light, and airy, preventing them from sticking together. Because it's so delicate and sensitive to moisture, dragonbeard candy is best eaten fresh, right after it's made, when the texture is at its peak. You'll often find it at festivals or bustling street markets, where the artistry and tradition are on full display for everyone to enjoy. The candy's name comes from its resemblance to a dragon's beard, a symbol of power, wisdom, and good fortune in Chinese culture. Eating it is a fleeting, magical experience. The threads dissolve like snowflakes, the filling crunches, and the flavors burst in your mouth. It's a rare treat and a piece of living history, connecting you to a tradition that spans generations. If you ever spot a candy maker at work, stop and watch. You'll be amazed by the artistry and skill on display. Dragonbeard candy is more than just a sweet. It's a cultural treasure, a symbol of heritage and craftsmanship. The tradition is fading, so savor it if you get the chance. Each bite is a rare opportunity. It's a testament to patience, artistry, and the joy of sharing something truly special with friends and family. Every bite connects you to centuries of craftsmanship, tradition, and the enduring spirit of Chinese culture. Dragonbeard candy, a dessert that truly melts in your mouth, leaving behind a memory as delicate as its threads. It's unforgettable. Don't miss it if you see it. Capture the moment, and let yourself be swept up in the magic. Experience the magic for yourself and share it with those around you. Taste a piece of history and let Dragonbeard candy transport you to a world of wonder. Ready to cool down? Let's head to Korea for bingsu, the ultimate shaved ice dessert that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the taste buds. This treat is a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth or a love for unique culinary experiences. Bingsu is made from ultra-fine, fluffy shaved milk ice, creating a texture like fresh snow. Each spoonful is so light and airy, it almost disappears on your tongue, leaving behind a cool, creamy sensation. The magic starts with a mountain of shaved ice. Then comes the fun, toppings. From traditional to trendy, the possibilities are endless, making every bowl a new adventure. Classic pat bingsu features sweet red bean paste, chewy rice cakes, and a drizzle of condensed milk. These ingredients blend together for a nostalgic, comforting flavor that's beloved across generations. Fruit bingsu piles on strawberries, mango, or melon for a refreshing twist. The vibrant colors and juicy fruits make it a perfect pick-me-up on a hot day. Decadent versions add Oreos, chocolate syrup, or even a scoop of ice cream. These playful creations are perfect for chocolate lovers and anyone craving a little extra indulgence. Injeolmi bingsu uses nutty soybean powder and almonds for a savory sweet combo. The subtle, roasted flavors offer a unique twist that's both satisfying and unexpected. The key is the special machine that shaves the ice so fine it melts instantly on your tongue. Watching the fluffy ice pile up is almost as mesmerizing as eating it. Eating bingsu is a social event. Grab a spoon and dig in with friends. It's a dessert that brings people together, sparking laughter and conversation. Some mix it all together, others savor each layer, discovering new flavors and textures with every bite. Bingsu cafes in Korea offer endless creative combinations. From seasonal fruits to inventive toppings, there's always something new to try. The first bite is always a surprise, creamy, light, and bursting with flavor. It's a moment of pure delight that keeps you coming back for more. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience to share. Whether you're with family or friends, bingsu turns any gathering into a celebration. The presentation is always stunning and Instagram-worthy. Each bowl is a work of art, almost too pretty to eat. Bingsu redefines what shaved ice can be, creamy, airy, and full of surprises. Every layer hides a new taste or texture, making each spoonful exciting. If you get the chance, try authentic bingsu with a milk base for the ultimate treat. The rich, milky flavor takes this dessert to a whole new level. It's perfect for hot days or anytime you want something refreshing. Bingsu is the ideal way to beat the heat and satisfy your sweet cravings. Bingsu is a celebration in a bowl. Fun, beautiful, and delicious. Every bite feels like a mini festival for your senses. Share it with friends and make sweet memories. It's a dessert that turns ordinary moments into something special. Don't miss out on this snowy Korean delight. It's a must-try for anyone visiting Korea or looking for a taste of something extraordinary. Bingsu, the coolest dessert adventure you'll ever have. Each bowl is a journey through flavor, texture, and creativity. Dig in and enjoy the mountain of flavor. Let every bite transport you to the heart of Korea's dessert culture. Now, let's celebrate the Philippines with Halo Halo, a vibrant, chaotic, and joyful dessert in a glass. Halo Halo means mix, and that's exactly what you do. Stir up layers of sweet beans, fruits, jellies, and more. At the bottom, you'll find treasures like red beans, jackfruit, sweet potato, and coconut. Finely shaved ice is piled on top, then drenched in creamy, evaporated milk. The grand finale: lech flan, ubi ice cream, and crunchy pinny pig. Every spoonful is a new adventure, sweet, creamy, chewy, and crunchy all at once. Halo Halo is more than a dessert. It's a celebration of Filipino creativity and abundance. There's no single recipe. Every family and vendor has their own twist. It's a reflection of the Philippines' rich agricultural bounty and love for sharing. Making Halo Halo is a family affair, full of laughter and color. Mixing it up is the best part. Watch the colors swirl into a pastel masterpiece. The first bite is pure magic, refreshing, satisfying, and full of surprises. Halo Halo is a staple at parties, a symbol of joy and togetherness. It's customizable. Add sweet corn, different jellies, or whatever you love. Sharing Halo Halo means sharing happiness and Filipino spirit. It's a fiesta in a glass, perfect for cooling down or celebrating. If you want a dessert adventure, grab a long spoon and dive in. Halo Halo, chaotic, beautiful, and unforgettable. Try it and taste the joy of the Philippines. Every bite is a party. Don't miss out. Mix, savor, and enjoy the ultimate Filipino treat. Halo Halo is waiting for you. For our final treat, let's savor pandan cake, a fragrant, fluffy chiffon cake beloved across Southeast Asia. Its vibrant green color and unique flavor come from pandan leaves known as the vanilla of the East. Pandan's aroma is grassy, nutty, and subtly sweet, a flavor you'll never forget. The cake is light as air thanks to whipped egg whites folded into the batter. Coconut milk adds richness and moisture, pairing perfectly with pandan's fragrance. Pandan cake is a staple in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and the Philippines. It's comfort food, a taste of home, and a symbol of celebration. Baking it in a tube pan helps it rise tall and stay airy. Cooling it upside down keeps the crumb delicate and fluffy. Sometimes it's frosted or filled with kaya jam, but the classic version lets pandan shine. The natural green hue is all from the leaves, no artificial coloring needed. Pandan cake is a reminder of the beauty of natural flavors. It's simple yet takes skill to perfect. The scent alone can transport you to a Southeast Asian bakery. Every bite is soft, moist, and just sweet enough. It's perfect with tea or coffee any time of day. If you see pandan cake at a bakery, don't hesitate. Grab a slice. It's a fluffy green cloud of happiness. Pandan cake is a celebration of tradition and nature. End your dessert adventure on a fragrant, delicious note. Taste the magic of pandan and coconut. You'll be dreaming of this cake long after the last bite. That's a wrap on our journey through Asia's most mind-blowing desserts. Which one are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite already? Share your thoughts and recommendations in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay curious, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.